Hey guys, how's it going? Travis here from the Wolf Hunterz that originally started as a metal band, but then we got caught up in doing reaction videos and the channel just took off. And we were doing predominantly music, but we've been getting a few requests for racing. We got requests for Isle of Man TT races. That was our first, I think, racing request, the most dangerous motorcycle race in the world. And then we were getting requests for Formula One, and Peter Brock describes a lap of Bathurst. That was one. Anyway, I'm kind of intrigued. I don't know anything other than watching a couple of those videos when it comes to race cars, motorcycle races, NASCAR, Formula One. So this is all new to me, and I'd like to go on this adventure with you guys and start taking a look at these videos. I'm just kind of picking random ones at this point. You could probably comment below which video you think I should watch next. But right now, basically, I'm just taking a stab in the dark and doing a video without even getting a special request for it or anything. Just because I'm so intrigued, because like I said, I know nothing, but this is like, it's pretty rad what I'm seeing here. So today we're going to take a look at fastest lap record at Nurburgring by Porsche 919 Hybrid Evo Explained. Well, I'm glad they're going to explain it because I don't know what that is. I will read the first line in the description box, and then we'll watch the video. Another milestone on the 919 Tribute Tour. We are referring to, and this is under their description box, by the way. This is them writing. To the 29th of June, 2018. The 919 Hybrid Evo was on the starting grid at the Nurburgring to write motorsport history once again. The mission was to set a new record on the 20-kilometer Nordschleife, I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, circuit. The driver, Timo Bernhard, or Timo Bernhard. Okay, well, let's take a shot at this, and I'm sure it's going to be a blast.
For Timo.
Okay, hold on a second here. Guys, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified about videos. If you don't want to be notified, just don't hit the bell. You can still subscribe to support the channel. And we'll create more content and all that good stuff. The more you like and comment, the more other people will get to see these videos. And that would be fantastic for everyone. And that's about it. Here we go.
Great day for Porsche, a great day for the 919.
Hold on. This is intense, right? I don't know that I can sit in my seat with the intro like that. Hold on. Let's see if we can stand up here. Let me raise this desk up. The light might be a little bit hard on me, but let's see here what we could do. Yeah, there's no way I'm sitting down for this. Oh, oops. There goes Nintendo Switch console. All right. I think we're good. I feel like there's more freedom. I can get into this. Let's go.
19. A great day for the entire Porsche team. Great day for Timo.
Oh my gosh, so good.
That we work with is a championship winning crew. We won Le Mans together, so there's a bond between us, which showed as well today that we trust each other, and we did great achievements because of that as well. So I think treating it like a race weekend was very important today.
The reason why we did the tribute tour was we didn't want to just put the car after this successful racing era of the 919 Hybrid simply into the museum.
Oh my God!
We wanted to do a kind of a tribute tour to say goodbye to this great car and at the same time with the record.
Wait, you see how I imagine that steering wheel would have been tight. That thing is rocking like this. Like I feel like when I drove my old Chevy, you know, my old Chevy Suburban, I feel like my steering wheel would do this a little bit. But we're in a car going God knows how fast, and that thing is rocking. That is terrifying, shaking. Woo! All right.
The tents inspired here at the Nordschleife. We also wanted to showcase what current hybrid technology can produce in terms of lap times and performance.
Yeah, hybrid technology.
I remember we were in Bahrain with all the technical crew from Porsche. We say, yeah, that's interesting, but that's just crazy. How can we do that? We just say, okay, let's make it, let's do it. It's interesting. It's not something we get used to do for standard racing.
Particularly for Nordschleife, we put the guy with the most experience around this place in the car, and also Timo was the driver who was the first guy in the 919.
That bar across the middle, it's crazy.
We started with a check lap, and then we had like one familiarization lap, and then the third lap already was quite a good one with a 5:24. But I said I would like to have another one just to clean it up a bit, and I knew that where I could gain a little bit of time.
Oh, you know what? In one of the previous videos that we've done, I've seen this road before because I remember, I don't know if that's graffiti on there or what kind of writing. What that is, I don't know what that is, but I think I recall seeing on the street a bunch of writing. Unless they do that on multiple tracks, I'm not sure.
Yeah, that was quite a good one.
I don't know like what great time is, but he wanted to conquer that first the time. I think he said 5:24, and I think he got what 5:19 there. I'm trying to remember things, guys. Remember, I'm new to this or whatever, but good for him. That's fastest lap record ever.
Lap time like this was always the target. I mean, whether or not we could have achieved it at that time was, let's say, a bit of a dream.
Imagine hugging these corners like this. Oh my gosh. Hold on. 319. 319. Oh my gosh. That is so fast. Ooh. That is so cool and so terrifying at the same time. I'm literally like in awe. 319. That makes me sweat a little bit. too. It comes through sometimes. Woo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Right now we're looking at 346, but I'm pretty sure it was higher than that. Let me see if we can if that'll. I saw 349. Oh my god. I thought 319 was crazy. I thought 250 was crazy. So like prior to these videos that I've seen, you know, the few that I've seen, my idea of racing was like NASCAR going in circles, you know, and that I have a lot to learn about too. I don't even know, gosh, I don't know much about that either. So we'll have to take a look at that as well. But holy smokes, the amount of turning is crazy. Are there spectators anywhere that are able to like watch? I'm not sure if I've seen like a stadium part where people would sit. At least he's the only one on the road. Guys, 369! Whoa! Oh my gosh. Woo! That was awesome. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what video you want to see next. This was super fun. Being able to have my desk up like this is new. We just got this. Was so freeing. I feel like I'm just able to be myself so much more, and that's awesome. So much freer, you know, so loose. It's very exciting for these videos. These videos are very exciting. And I look forward to more. Guys, like and subscribe to the channel. I think I said that already. If you guys want to request your own personal reaction video, you can find this link in the description box below. Click it and pick it. And it could be for more racing, any forms of racing. It could be music, movie scenes, skits, comedy, documentary segments, and more. for the Wolf Hunterz Reactions channel. I'll get a playlist going, I guess, too, for racing videos once I get a few of these rolling. Stay tuned, stay positive. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
I just wanna pay my bills.